number A 4.016 click 3 click 2 7 click 1 2016 DCA L to appoint following nominating members to District Council as a number 2 Sri Lakan Moya Paul D son of Balram Paul D 2 number 4 Srinati Sinu Chini
Please call upon you, right of the District Council number 2, leadership and you,
District Council member kikasitan tukin India terlebih atau dingin konbau kita semua kakin betul lagi kami bocanin kaikam.
C. Biakansami, having been nominated as member of Lai Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God solemnly affirm that I will bear the true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, as by the law established, and I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Lai Autonomous District Council member kasiban tukin India Sam PE adu ningin tuan ko tengen sa bukok sakin patuan lai di boy pamin kong sanin kai kam